Swedish? No, we are not. We are Danish. Are you friends Danish too? No, they aren't. They are Norwegian. Your passport, please. Here they are. Are these your cases? No, they aren't. Our cases are brown. Here they are. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. Are you French tourists too? Yes, they are. That's fine. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Are you Swedish? No, we are not. We are Danish. Are your friends Danish too? No, they aren't. They are Norwegian. Your passports, please. Here they are. Are these your cases? No, they aren't. Our cases are brown. Here they are. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. Are your friends tourists too? Yes, they are. That's fine. Thank you very much.
Danish emese Danish. Aykin brown emese brown.
Are you Swedish? No, we are not. We are Danish. Are your friends Danish too? Are your friends Danish too? No, they are not. They are Norwegian. Your passport, please. Here they are. Are they your cases? No, they are not. They aren't. Our cases are brown. Here they are. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. Are your friends tourists too? Yes, they are. That's fine. Thank you very much.
These, bular degeni these. İyin sözümüz akısı adizi. These. Ananikin tourists emese tourists çıkıdı. Tourists.
Are you tourists? Yes, we are.
Are you Swedish? No, we are not. We are Danish. Are your friends Danish too? No, they aren't. They are Norwegian. Your passport, please. Here they are. Here, these your cases. No, they aren't. Our cases are brown. Here they are. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. Are your friends tourists too? Yes, they are. That's fine. Thank you very much.
Cases. Akıski Uygurluk siz bile okşay çıkıdı. Cases.
Are these your cases? No, they aren't.
Are they your friends?
They, yours is friends.
And selam sözü etseniz nayet ağzınızı nayet yaxşılam güldü. Friends. Friend demese friends.
Are they your friends?
Are they friends? Are they your friends?
Friends demese friends. Dizide dolap kettiye şimdi koyumuz bu. Friends.
Friends.
Ular bolsa sizning do'stlaringiz deganday to'q. They are your friends. Şuna they are your friends. Are'nin aldığı çıkarı versek ne buldu? Sual gaylenti. Are they your friends? Are they your friends?
They are your friends. Are they your friends?
They are your friends. Are they your friends?
They are your friends. Are they your friends?
Are your friends student?
Are you friends student?
Are they your friends students?
Are you friends students too?
Are they your friends students too?
Are you friends students too? Your friends are students too? Are your friends students too?
Sınıfta your friends are students too. Your friends. Dostlarınız mı? Dostlarınız olsa o'quvchi. Too. Qo'shganda sizning do'stlaringizmi o'quvchi degan gap. Endi BPLni olib chiqarsak, are your friends students too? Are your friends students too? Yani sizning do'stlaringizmi o'quvchimi degan gap.
Your friends are students too. Are you friends students too?
Your friends are students too. Are your friends students too?
Your friends are student too. Are you friends student too? My mother teacher too. My mother is teacher too dedim.
My mother is teacher too.
My mother is teacher too.
My mother is teacher too.
My mother is teacher too. My mother is teacher too.
German tourists are very good.
German's tourist is very good.
German tourist is very good.
German tourists are very good.
Tourists. Tourists. Tourists desem hata oldu. Tourists. German tourists are very nice. German tourists. Yani tourists desem hata oldu. Yaki alımız, yaki siz alımız, yaki iz alımız dedik o. Tıqa sını qo'shsanglar tez olab qolmaydi. Ts oldu. Tourists. Tourists. German tourists are very nice. Qaranglar, German tourists degan chaqda germaniyalik sayohatchilar dedik emasmi? Germanga ko'plik qo'shib yurmaysam ko'plik bo'lmaydi Germanniki.
German tourists are very nice. Our books are red color. Our books are red.
Our books are red.
Our books are red.
Books, books. Books emas, books.
Our books are red. Are your daughter's car is red?
Are your daughter's car red?
Are your daughter car is red?
Are your daughter car is red?
Is your daughter's car red?
This car is red.
Your daughter's car is red. Is your daughter's car red?
Your daughter's car is red. Is your daughter's car red?
Your daughter's car is red. Is your daughter's car red?
Your daughter's car. Sizning qizingizning mashinasi is red. Both qizlaranglik. Isni oldiga chiqarasanglar, solga aylanadi. Is your daughter's car red? Qaranglar. You demidik, sen demidik. Sening qizingning mashinasi deyapmiz, shunaqo. Bu gap nim to'g'riliq bo'ladi, bir tal mashin to'g'riliq bo'ladi. Uchinchi bir tal narsaga nimni shiltitoq, yoki odamga izni shiltitoq. Shunaqo. Unda bo'lsa, your daughter's car is red. Sizning qizingizning mashinasi bo'lsa qizlaranglik. Endi mashinasi qizlaranglikmi degan faqat bepilni oldiga chiqarib olsak bo'ldi. Yo'sa is your daughter's car red desanglar bo'ldi. Diqqat qilinglar, bu you desa or keldi. Your bir narsa sizning bir narsangiz desa or kelmaydi. Ha? Your bir narsa desa unda ishlasanglar bo'lmaydi. Sizning bir narsangizning bilmisi deganki bir tal narsa to'g'riliq gap bo'ladi-da.
Our friends are Dutch.
Our friends are Dutch.
Our friends are Dutch.
Our friends are Dutch. Our friends are Dutch. Our.
Our friends are Dutch.
She's friend is nationality.
Where are her friends from? Where are her friends from?
What nationality are her friends?
Her the boy said here emas her.
What nationality are her friend?
Here.
What nationality are her friends?
Qaranglar, her. Masalan, mana deymiz. O har kuldi deb qo'yimizmi? Har kuldi deb qo'yimizmi? Her, her. Her friends, her. O har kuldi deb qo'yimizmi? Masalan, har kuldi deb qo'yimizmi? Her, her. What nationality are her friends? What nationality are her friends? Onun dostları qaysi davlat tabiligini ekan bir xil deyiladi. Where are her friends from? Onun dostları nereden kelgan, qaysi davlatdan degan endi deydi. Where somebody from deb oldiq. Where are her friends from? Her naqanchaga diqqat qilinglar. Her, here emas. Her, dinkin, abadinkin, chiqdi. Here emas, chiqdi. Her.
What nationality are her friends? Where are her friends from?
What nationality are her friends?
What nationality are her friends? Where are her friends from?
What's your friend's job?
What is your friend's job?
What's your friend's job?
What's your friend's job?
What's your friend's job? What's your friend's job? Yani dostunuzun hizmeti nima?
What's your friend's job?